Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Can You Go to the Sea with Rolex? So guys, this will be a discussion video. So guys, if you don't know, most Rolex watches are water resistant to at least 100 meters or more, and they are suitable for snorkeling, swimming, or even scuba diving. So guys, the manufacturer of Rolex rigorously tests the watches and certifies them and ensuring that they can withstand a high water pressure at a certain depth, and this make them the ideal choice for water activity as well. So guys, for oyster perpetual models, you can do it at least 100 meters, and for perpetual 1908 models, you can do it by 50 meters. And that's simply about it. And remember that there is no way that water can damage your Rolex unless you submerge it for a long period. And this would be probably days. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.